What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are on Agoda traveling platform, and I'm gonna show you how to book hotels and homes, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So how to book hotels and homes. As you can see over here, it is already selected, and you need to enter the destination of the property and basically the dates and the time. So enter the destination, let's say like this, Hong Kong. Like this, we want to travel there from the 25th of November, and we want to stay until, let's say, 15th of November. How much people are traveling? You can either search for one room to see all multi-bedroom properties, or two rooms. We want one room. We are having 2 adults and 0 children. So just press search, and as you can see, Agoda is doing its job, so we're gonna have to wait. As you can see here, we are having a mega sale around a couple of hotels. So as you can see, this is a best match. Let's see what does it say. So we are having options and everything we need to know. We are having book now option over here, or add to cart, and also we are having a reserve option, as well as for this one over here. What you want to do is just press book now and it will be done. You just need to fill out the form and you need to proceed to payment. So overall, that's the entirety of the job on how to basically reserve hotels or homes on Agoda booking website. So guys, hopefully this video was helpful to you. As always, thank you so much for watching, and as I mentioned earlier, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. That's it guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Bye bye.